Fellow option traders, we're very happy to spend this last 60 minutes. Right now, it's 12:10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, so there's 50 minutes to the close. Right now, we're looking at a $1,300 call chart that was deflated right here. And we can see that there was a gap and then there was a move up. And this is live markets right now. We went straight up to the top. If you go where my pointer is over here, you can see how Google on this 15-minute chart, it happened very quickly on the opening bell, shot straight up, deflated, call, shot straight up. If you didn't sell up here, well, this is the pullback. I'm out here to buy this again right now at $8.20 live. And the order is behind here. Right now it's $9 by $9.50. So I'm going to be buying the value down here. And this is live right now. We're in the last hour. $1,300 call. Okay. And when retail option traders, if they do get that move, here's what happens. They don't ever sell up here. You know what I'm talking about. You've experienced it. Everyone has, even including me. So, it's time to change now. So, basically, knowing when to sell, 99% of the people just don't know. And they want to hold it, and then it does this. This is live market hours. This is the pullback. This is the contract right here. Here's the high, 1460. Now we're right down here. The bid is $9.10 by $9.50 right now. And that's buying that wholesale. So let's go over here. Let's go over to the 15-minute chart. You can see right here that we peaked in that very short time frame on that opening bell, and the call side pops right with it, and then the put side of the market right here where my pointer is up here, you can see it right here, 1310 put. They were up here at $20 a contract and they got slammed. So on the opening bell, when that big breakout happened here on that 15-minute Google chart, they slammed that inflated options always go down. Doesn't matter which one. And that's why I'm here. That's why you're here. You're here because what you tried before in the retail models and whatnot didn't work. Otherwise you wouldn't be watching the video. So now we're friends. And we would really enjoy having you. And how to make a market now. Listen, let's get back to the trade. This is live right now in the last hour. And it's the greatest thing in the world. You can tell that when we hit this top, you could see right here on my pointer on the 1310 put that got marked down. Yeah, that was wholesale, all right. And then you buy this side. Why? Because the inflated premium through the trading session today, 11/25/2019, time 12:14 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Now, let's just take a look. So as we started to go down on that 15-minute chart, you can see what happens, how the call chart here drops and gives all its value back up. And that's how this side of the market right now, 12:15 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, live in action, working with that 1310 put. There we are. There 1980 is right where we wanted to see that drop. So as that dropped to deflated, the inflated had that automatic reversal. And we would really enjoy you to go ahead and join us. Free 5-day trial, 702-685-0772. But we all know that this is during live market hours, and it is. And this is the 15-minute chart on that opening bell, and there's the calls. People never know when to sell. Down they go. I'm buying them again. I have another limit order. Why? Because I know what I'm doing with it. And I got the value over here now. And you can see 851. Now look at them. They're all the way up here to what? Oh my goodness. Looks like around 1090. And this is live market hours right here, right now. So as that goes down, as it is right now, that is the downside of the 15-minute intraday Google chart. You can see it. Now, look at the value, how it goes back up. We know that the peak of the call was right around 70 or so. 1460 was the top. So right now, what happens with people if you take 1460 and let's say you bought over here, but at the high, when they start to drop, this is where the retail option trader gets into trouble. And we can change that. That's why we're talking. So we know that we can do that. Join the free 5-day trial. It's very simple. Here we are. The put side premium is going higher. And this is live right now. Live market hours. The wholesale bid, that was down here. That was the entry on this side. You can see the bid pop. And there it is right there. Now this happened in the morning when you had that breakout, that they gapped Google open and they ran it straight up, made the high. And then Google on the 15-minute chart has been reversing, and now it's all down what? Down here to 1302. So we can see why this live put chart, 1310 put, that got marked down to deflated. And you're going to be doing this with us live. There you are. And this is why you can change. You can change right now, today, and you will see it because you'll be part of doing what I'm showing you here. And let's take that first step together live so that we can go through the process just like this, using the breakouts, using the charts, how this came down here, and it all happened on the opening bell. And you can see the spike in a option, and if you don't get in or see it, that's okay. But this is the primary example of deflated and how they can pop. But you had to have the 15-minute breakout chart right here, which we have. And once again, now we're reversing, and the put side was right there, inflated. Yeah, tells you $19.80 drop to $7.80. When you're buying down here deflated, yeah, that's wholesale. And just know though that right now the reason why the values are going up is because Google's going down here on the 15-minute chart. And that's how the values go up. And it's live right now, 12:20 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 11:25, 2019. Hourly closing bell. It's all live. You're welcome now to take that next step with us. All you have to do is call us. And from that point on, we'll be doing exactly what is on the screen that you're watching. And you will truly be able to um, go to much higher levels. Oh yeah, yes. And that is why you're here, because this is what you've been looking for. You just couldn't find it. Well, now you have it, and that's me. So, and now we'll get to know each other, and we'll take that step forward. Once again, this is live market hours, everybody. These are live charts. These are the options. 1300 call, opening bell. They gapped Google higher, and they ran it. So if you didn't get in, then it's not your fault. But I'm showing you what it looks like and how they break out with that call chart. When they get up here, people don't sell and buy and wholesale over here. Oh yeah. Looks like Google's found support. So that put option is going to stop right here, right now. So we have to take profits, and this is done live, and you have to know when to have that limit order out and how to do the executions, and also have limit order in on various different things. So now we're going to look at the exit. And the exit is because on the 15-minute chart, when he stops going down in price and we go up, then this value is going to drop. I'm going to conclude it for you, all of it. So let's get to know each other in live market hours.